I'm gonna get an omelet. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna go down and feed me. The brunch house. Ooh, what am I gonna have? Omelette, waffles, pancakes, French toast.
Fucking French toast.
Give me some French toast. Yeah. He had an omelet with all sorts of meats.
I got the meat splits.
I had some French toast with banana. I'd probably order it again, but not anytime soon because it made me full. And now we're gonna go get gas.
Yeah.
Gas over there at the QT. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, hold on.
Oh, shit. God, you've been stalling out, love.
No, I dropped my gloves. Let me get out of their way. They're trying to park or something, you know. I dropped my gloves and then they were waiting and I was like, oh man, I gotta get down. What? Because I was trying to hold my gloves and do the controls at the same time. Oh, which way are you going? Oh, you're going this way? I thought we were going that way to QT. No, the QT's right over there. See? We're gonna go to the QT and get some gasolina and go this way. Yeah, their eggs Benny are good. With that chorizo sauce on top. Oh. All right. Where do we want to park? Up front in the shade. Yeah. Go put some gas in. Let's see how much it takes. It only has 1 bar of gas left. I think mine had 2 bars of gas left. How much to top off 2 ninjas? Oh, it's almost there. Okay. Yeah. Where are we at? 1880. Go. Hee-haw. Yes, sir. And that French toast is sticking, man. Hey, look at that thing. Across the, right there on your left.
Oh!
Jeez! That thing was cool. Banana, 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 banana. Hey, look at that plane. Oh shit. Ah!